My name is Kathy Puffer, head grower and farm owner for Hudson Valley Vertical Farms here in Tilson, New York. We grow closed loop here in Tilson using vertical aeroponics, which you see right here, and liquid fertilizer from biodigesters. So what makes it closed loop and so special is that we are literally recycling our food waste back into nutrient-rich fertilizer every single day using our basement biodigesters. So a lot of people have heard of the word biodigestion, but might not be that familiar with what a biodigester really is. We are all very intimately aware of how we digest our food every single day. And a biodigester basically works the same way. It has a feeding tube through which it eats the food that goes down to the bottom of the tank, an overflow, which is like the ureter. Finished fertilizer rises up and comes out here, so it's equal in and equal out. And what everybody's always excited about is the gas, the biogas. So the gas is a wonderful resource because we can use it to power our needs, such as it can be used to run a fleet of buses. This could be used for powering a gas generator. Some people in rural communities have used this resource for creating small businesses, for charging up electric motorcycles and charging up cell phones. And what's so great about this is that it's safe. I blow this flame out, I can squeeze this bag, and the flame is not going to light until I get down to the source. Woof! Isn't that amazing? So even though the gas is groovy, it is really all about the food and all about the fertilizer. This is the liquid fertilizer that comes from our anaerobic biodigesters. It is literally a complete plant food. Come, I want to show you what I've grown with the fertilizer we've made here at home. So these are all of our seedlings that we're going to be planting this year for our garden and our food resiliency system. All of these plants I started in coconut coir with nothing but water and a combination of liquid fertilizer from our biodigesters. So I'm growing a wide variety of flowers, herbs, onions, and broccoli. So we'll be growing this out later this season and also sharing out flowers with our community. But commercially, we can be using that liquid fertilizer for growing larger plants like the ones you see here to go to market. And I offer kale by the bunch on Hudson Valley Current and also through my farm, hvvf.net. So thank you for visiting us. Do try this at home and join us.